Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? So, everybody went to underground. Underground, huh? Well, so now let's start the discussion. I hope students in the online, I am audible to you. Aniket, sir, I think module documentation sequence is not correct. So, downloading part, sequence in downloading. I think you can understand. I hope you can understand, Aniket. You can understand, I think so. What is the sequence? Sequence in the sense, daily I will upload in the sequence only. Modules in the index part. Same way might be coming to you. If it is not there, index is there with you now. Aniket? Program sequence, okay. Program sequence also, if you know the programming, you already heard about the programming now. AOP, Maths Info, ICSA, they are called modules. You can understand that. Now, come in. So now it's a time to see, to go for another concept. What is it? Reloading the module concept I want to introduce. Okay, right. So let us, one more example you write down, open it. One more example, then I'll go for reloading the module. After that, I'll go for further discussion. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept a numerical integer value, which will accept a numerical integer value, which will accept a numerical integer value and decide whether it is prime or not by using modules. By using modules. Actually, that is we already done, but only through module I want to do it once. Let's start, students. First, I will define what module I will define. Watch it. So I'll say here prime.py. Prime.py. What is this is called? File name and module name. File name and module name we are talking about it. And next I am talking DEF. Now I am taking what? Decide is a function. Decide prime is a function. There I will take n. N I will take if n less than or equal to what? 1. You know prime number logic, right? Print of what? Is invalid. Is invalid. Dot format of what? N. Dot format of n. I'll take it else. I'll take it else. Now I'm writing the logic for prime. Tell me, what is our logic? We remember, students. RES is equal to, we are taking, for example, prime. Say start now. For I in range of 2, n plus 1, no, n only. N minus 1 only, we need to look for it. 2, n. Now I need to write it. If n percentage I is equal to 0, what I say? RES is equal to not prime. Not prime. Not prime. I'll say what here? Break. Once you say break, it is coming out of the for loop, right? There I will write the logic. What is the logic? If RES is equal to what? Prime. RES is equal to prime. I say print. What is this now? Is like this. Dot format of n, RES. Else I will write it. Same thing I will write it. Same thing I'll write it. Prime is equal to prime. N is prime. That number is prime. If it is not prime is equal to prime, false, it is coming to this place. Done. This is called a function is available, right? Fine, students. Prime dot py. I will save it as prime dot py. Well, so prime dot py I will save it. Now I'll write the main program. Main program I will write it. File new. I write Python here. What is this now? Prime demo dot what? Py. Tell me what should I do? I will call it directly this function. I'll call directly this function. Here I am writing prime of, I will take up some number, I will pass it 6. 6 I will pass it. Definitely will get error or not. So how do you do that, ma? What is my module name? Okay. From prime, import, decide prime. That's all. Import decide prime. That's all. Save this now. Done. Both of them are present in which folder? Same folder. Good. Coming to this point back, D column, okay, we are Python here. Say what is this? 6 p.m. CD modules here. Now I'm going to say py. Now I'm going to write it. 6 is not prime. If I say that here 5, here I say 5. See that it is called what? Prime. I want to take dynamically, student. Int of, directly can I write like that? Input of, enter any number to decide prime or not. Yeah, to decide prime or not. You see, students. So I'm going to get it. Enter a number which is prime or not. 11. 11 is prime. 12. Right. 111 is called what? Not prime. 114 is called what? Not prime. 103 is called what? Prime. I say here -3, invalid input. I say 1, invalid input. I say 2, prime. Got it? So are you confident in modules? I'll do some more examples. After reloading concept, I will do one more example. Today I'm going for what? Reloading. Students in online, are you confident about that? Because modules is not one day topic. Throughout our entire course, this concept will be continued. Well, students, coming to the reloading of modules. Reloading of modules I am going to discuss. Well, students, coming to the point back, now I am going to discuss now. What do you mean by reloading the module? Now, take an example. You log in your mail at 6 o'clock. On some work you went out and you are coming after half an hour. What you will do? What you will do? If you refresh, it will be reloaded or not? It will ask again username and password, right? That means that session time is out. So when you say username and password, it will be refreshed or not? Refreshing is nothing but what? Reloading the newly received messages in the span of half an hour, right? Similarly, if you take next one more example, you take it. Share market, you take it. Share market. Having an idea about it? Share market, share values will be changing day to day or year to year or month to month or minute to minute. Minute to minute. So share market trading is going on somewhere and the share market information is viewed by a lot of people across the globe. Right? So here share value changes are immediately updated to everybody. Once the share value changed, it is reloaded to all the people who are going to accessing the share market information. So the moment when the value of share value changes, Immediately it is reflected to the other people or not? What is the concept behind that? Reloading. What is the concept behind that? Reloading. One more example. You are viewing the cricket live score in the browser. You are not watching physically. You are seeing only scoreboard you are seeing. What is happening in the scoreboard? For every ball, for every who is facing, what is the ball number? 0.5 or 1 over 2 overs. Who is a batsman facing? Who is a bowler? How many wickets in hand? How many wickets are already over? All the information will be coming or not? As and when balls are playing the cricket, is the score is updated or not? What is that concept called? Reloading. So reloading concept is important. Actually, this I am teaching at Python level. You will come across in Django when you're going for using applications comes under web development. This concept is useful to you. Did you understand this example, students? Now, I'm going to say what? And one more thing. In Google, when you are using Gmail, when you are sign up as a new user or searching for something, the page will be changing very frequently or not? When they change it, is it reflecting to all the people or not? These are all comes under which concept? Reloading concept. So I'm going to show some example. So for reloading concept to understand how many machines required? 2 machines required. One machine is doing what? Changing. Another machine is doing what? Viewing. Share market information is going, sharing, trading is going on. Trading values are changing there. It is viewing on our browsers or not? So how many machines required? 2. One is changing, another one, very good, viewing. 2 things are required. But here only one machine is there. How to do it? I'm going to apply some sort of technique in the class. Okay, now? Shall I go to the example? After that, I'll come to the concept here. Nothing to worry about the concept first. So come on, students. Now I am going for others and Python here. Python here. Now I'm going to take it. Shares.py. It is called what now, students? File name and module name. File name and module name. Easy. Very, very easy. DEF. Share something like, shares info. Shares info. Now I am taking, it's my function. D is equal to D. Why I am taking dictionary here? Share name, value. Share name, value. Share name, value. What is it comes under? Dictionary value. Okay. IT share 500. Next is called financial share. Financial share is 400. Comma. Next is called what? Automobile share. Automobile share is 300. And next is called what? Pharma share. Pharma share is called what? Pharma. So pharma share is called what? Some 200 I am writing. This is my shares information. There are a lot of information is there. I took something like that. Return of D I said. Return of D. This is called what? Share information I said. And next persons are what? Viewing people are different. Now I'm going to say shares.py. Now I'm going to take it. Shares.py module name. Now I'm going to take up here only shares.py. Now I'm going to take up what? File new. I'm going to take up here like this. What is here? You tell me. Shares demo. Shares demo dot what? Py. It's a main program I am writing. Shares demo dot what? Py. I'm taking like that. Okay, students. Now carefully try to understand. Here I am calling. Main program I am writing or directly I am writing. What is my function name here? What is my function name? Let me close the previous things. Shares info is my function name is called shares info. That I am going to take it. And this I am going to take it. Module name is called shares dot. And I will go for, what is this now? Import shares. Okay. Now I am writing it. it is going to return what? Dictionary or not? One dictionary is coming. See students, display shares of D is my function name students. DEF, display shares of D I am saying. I want to print this data. How do you print this data? Print share name, backslash T, share value. I will take it, share value. I am taking there, I am taking something like this. I am printing something like this. There I am writing. Here I am saying. Now, see students, for share name, share value, in where D dot what? Items. Well, now I am printing there students. What is this now? Backslash T. I say backslash T dot format of what? SN comma SV, share value. Just I am going to write like this. Just call, save this code in the same place. Out of that, see students, PY, see this, share name and share value. Just let me take up some small this thing like this, backslash T. So you execute it one more time. Okay. Now you execute it now. So you got it what? Share name and then share value we got it. Okay now? Now, my point of question is whether you will catch me or not. Try to put your concentration student. Viewing program plus changing program, both of them are there in one moment, one place only. This is called what? Viewing. This is called what? Share development. That is nothing but share information is present here only, plus sleeping. Next is called what here? Sharing view is available here only. Sharing viewing, shares viewing plus shares development in both the places. How can I change this value during my execution of view? Once again, when I am executing that, I cannot change now. Then how can I get that changes? I am executing this now. During this program execution, I want to change this code. I want to change this code. This code I want to change it. If I change this code, I have to get it in where? This place automatically. Are you understanding first? While I am executing, during the execution, somebody required to change this. Because it is present in the same machine, I cannot do that. Then how can I show you that? For that, one small technique I will apply if you follow me. When you are printing that, see, when it is executing, I will make this program to, this program is executed by PVM. I will make the PVM to sleep for certain time. Sleeping in the time sense what? I want to make it to execute and wait for certain time. Just I will say time dot sleep of 10 seconds I said. Here I am writing. What is that? Print. I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep for 10 seconds. For 10 seconds. Now here I am going to import what? Module called time. I will come out of it and just I am saying because it is in the same, actually in other time it is not necessary. It is not necessary because it is the same system now. That's why I am saying that. I am coming out of what? Sleep. Coming out of sleep. I am just saying like this. In the meantime, line number 13, you see what is happening. Let me run this code. I hope you will catch me my point. Run this. In this 10 seconds of time, where I will go? I will go to this code. I will change it. I will save it and I'll come back. When I come back, what I can see? Change the details I'll see. I hope you got it. You got it or not? So, once again, Once again, there is no hurry at all. First you understand, 20 seconds. Here I am going to say, now you see, 20 seconds I made it. In 20 seconds of time, still it is there running. Now I will go to this place. I'll go to this place. I'll do some changes here. I will save it. I'll come back. Whatever the changes are there, which I am doing, I want to get it after coming out of the sleep. That is known as which concept? Reloading. Actually, when I am working on two machines, reloading not necessary. I will just refresh it so that information will be broadcasted. You got it or not, students? So now I am saying, come out of that. Now I am saying that going some 20 seconds of time. After that, I will do some changes. What change I will do? Now I am running once again. Careful. Now you got a confidence. I hope so. Now I am going to run my code. Now you have done it. What I will do? In this period of time, I will go to where? Shares original program. I do the changes. After changes is done, I want to get those changes back. Will I get the changes back or not? I need to check it. Understand? Right. Come out of that. After coming out of that, in that gap of sleeping time, I will do the changes. To get the changes back, once again, I will do what? Once again, I will do what here? Tell me, I need to do once again calling or not? This is called a what program? Main program this is, already you know. Coming out of the sleep, once again you are calling. See that, what is happening, you see. Shall I do that? Yes, be careful. Now coming out of that, see, 20 seconds. Go there, here, I say 50 rupees, I say 40 rupees, 30 rupees, save it. Come on, here, after coming out, those changes are not coming. By default, they are not coming. Old values only will be coming. See that? Old values only coming. Why old values are coming? Because I did not use the approach called reload. Now I am going to use reload now. By default, they are not coming. By default, they are not coming. Are you getting? By default, they are not coming. How to get it? Then I will rerun. I will rerun my code. When I rerun, I am getting it. See, I got it. I'll go to my place. I'll do the changes. 5 rupees, 4 rupees, 3 rupees, 2 rupees. 2 rupees. These changes will not come here. These changes will not come. Why? I did not done any new thing. Old values only will come. Same values, whatever is displayed. Same thing is coming. I hope you got it. Now I am applying my reloading concept. What to do? After coming out of the sleep, reload the module. Reload the. To reload, there is a function name called what? Reload. What? Module name. What is the module name? Whatever the module you have imported already previously, that module you are re-importing. Reloading is nothing but re-importing. To get what? Recent changes. Reloading is nothing but re-importing. Again importing. For what purpose? To get the up-to-date changes. Are you getting me? Once you reload it, reload is a function belongs to what? Module. What the module belongs to? Every predefined function belongs to the module or not? Which module it is? IMP module. IMP module. Now I am writing IMP. IMP module. Are you following me? Reload function is used for reloading the module which was already imported to get the recent changes or up-to-date changes. I am going to take up shares.sharesinfo, shares.d. Once again, I am displaying this IMP module. Now I will run my coding. Now the point to remember, students, all of you, the module called IMP as on today is deprecated. Deprecated. Have you heard about deprecation in English? Come on, answer. You know, you don't know. Don't know. Chepte na kardam tondaraga. You know, you don't know. Okay, no problem. IMP module as on today deprecated. Deprecated means what? Changed. It is changed, student. It was changed. Changed to what? New name it is changed to. It was changed to the new name. It is changed to the new name as what? Import lib. They changed to what? Import lib. One more small example for deprecation. Suppose your name is Naveen. Your name is Naveen. Your name is Naveen. So, your parents, Naveen is not reading well. Naveen, any Naveen is that don't feel students. Naveen is not reading well, sleeping more and more, and doing with friends more and more. And their parents contacted to one astrologer, numerologist they contacted. So said that. So astrologer or numerologist said that. Now onwards, it's not Naveen, N-A-V-A-N. His name is what? Deprecated on what name? Naveen. E-E-E-N. So this Naveen is old name. Naveen is called what? New name. That is called deprecation. Deprecation means changed. Getting my point? So if I use IMP module, answer will come. Changed values will come. But if I use IMP, you will get what? Deprecation warning messages will come, students. Deprecation warning messages will come. Which messages will come? Warning message will come. Warning message will come. Are you able to follow me? Warning message will come. So coming to the point back. So I am coming to the point back. So Naveen, not yourself, ma'am. Okay, by mistake, you are there. Naveen, my dear student, your name is Naveen. You are good student. I know you are good student. That's what I said by mistake. If anybody is there, don't feel I said. Naveen, your name is already good. I said Naveen. This Naveen. I definitely when I take something, it is matching. Naveen, you are good. I am observing because every day you'll take it. Okay, don't feel that. Because even though incidentally it is matching, so don't feel that. So no problem. So daily you are interacting with me nicely. So you are not that N-I-V-I-N. No, you are Naveen. It's good. So now coming to the point of it, go to the point of it. Now I am going to say, reload the module, imp.reload. You will get which message? Deprecation warning message will come. Carefully watch it now. Now go to the point back. PY. See this now. Plus first read this message. Deprecation warning. The IMP module is deprecated in favor of import lib and slated for removal in Python 3.12. In 3.12, what is removing? IMP module. It is going to contain what? What? Import lib is going to come. Let me go to that. Now run it once again. Even though deprecation message is coming, go there. Now you do the changes. Answer will come. 50, 40, save it. Changes will come. No doubt in that. Output will come with the module. Changed values only will come. So 20 seconds finished. So you'll get that values which are changed. Changed values came or not. But it is not recommended to get which messages. So to avoid that, I'll go for what from today onwards. Come on, ma. Import lib. Import lib, I will take it. Import lib. From now onwards, I will take it as what now here? Import lib, I will take it. Now execute students. Now execute now students. See now, go to the place. I do the changes now. I say 500. I say 400, 300, 200. Execute it now. See that no deprecation messages came and you'll get the modified values now. Modified values will come. So 500, 400. Is it reloading the values or not? After that, once again, I will go for it. Once again, I will go for it. I'll write once again the same mechanism because it is in the same mission. That's why I'm writing, students. Otherwise, no need to write. Come on to the point back. 20. I'll go to the place here. I'll write it 50. I'll write it 30. I'll write it 20. See the changes. Those changes will come. Again sleeping. Again I will change it. So after 20 seconds, it is going to change it now. Done. Changes now. I'll do again changes there. Again I will do the changes now. Again I will do the changes now. Execute it. See the values now. Again I will be getting the same answer. What answer? Changed values only will be coming. Because I reloaded once again or not? Reloaded again. So reloading values. First time one kind of value. Reloading another time. Again reloading. As and when values are changing, is reloading happens or not? Is it easy to follow or difficult to follow? Easy to follow. So I hope that you are understanding the meaning of what? Reload. So did you understand import lib and IMP here? Right. Online students, can you please confirm it? So almost today, 60, almost 40 students absent today. 40 students offline, almost 40, 50 absent. Totally under underground only. Right? Fine. So let it be. Let us go to the topic name called what you know. Reloading module concept. I will open it, students. Try to open it now. See this now. Try to read out. Start everybody. To reload the module in Python, we use a predefined function called reload, which is present in IMP module, and it was deprecated in favor of import lib module. Syntax: IMP dot reload of module name, or I import lib reload of module name. Recommended. Why recommended? Already told you now, IMP module is deprecated on the name of what? Import module. Did you understand the meaning of deprecation? Yes. Now I am saying the purpose or what? Situation. Come on, students, all of you. Reload function reloads a previously imported module. Previously, which module was imported here? Shares. What I am doing? Reloading. Which module? Previously imported module we are using to reload. Are you following me? Yes. Go to the point. If we edited module source file, means this one. If we edited a module source file, and to get those changed values, if we edited what? Module source file by using what? External editor. And if we want to use the changed values or updated values or new version of previously loaded module, then we use reload function. Same example even I shared here also. Are you able to follow? Same example even I shared here. And it is one of the small concept, and it is useful concept. This is wherever you want to reload your module, we will use what function? Reload function will use it. Getting? So easy to understand or not? So I will go for some more examples in this case. So I hope that you are understanding the meaning of what? Reloading concept. You got it. And a very easiest one, not a difficult thing. And you have seen some certain examples. Shall I go for now? Write down. Now some key use cases I will explain. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Which will implement the following by using modules. By using modules. Of course, it is very easy for you, student. I have some case studies, ma. You just observe it. Instead of writing once again, I'll show you some case studies. Just I'll open it. You try to do it. You try to do it. Look at the case study 1. Look at the case study 1. Arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division normal division, modulo division, and then exponentiation, and then what? Exit. Now I want to define with what concept? Modules. What should I do? As it is, I need to design or not? For that, I will define what? One menu. File system also I am giving. And what files I am taking. Earlier, we have written everything in one place only. Today, we are doing what? I am handovering this task to 2 to 3 people. One person will design the menu like this. One more person will do what? Operations they will do. Addition operation code, all these operation code. One more person will write what? Main program. Write down. Take this thing. As it is, you take up. Little bit fast, you write. All of you write down this. Online students also write down. Akash. Akash. Hello, sir. You are not audible. When I am not talking, how I am audible, my dear student? I said, write this part, I said. Are you writing or not? Akash? I said, write down this. Written, okay. So, you are written that much faster? Written or not, tell me. Written, huh? Very good. So, I hope you are fast writing student. I hope so. Okay. Over. Now I will start. File system also written. File system also. Now I am going to write what? This type of implementation I will do it. Next case study I will give to you as a homework. Okay, let me go to this place. This program I want to do it. Shall I do it in PyCharm? PyCharm I will do it. So let us go to the PyCharm. You can do this this type of reloading concept also in PyCharm also you can do it. No issue at all. Okay, right. Anyhow, go to the PyCharm. So I'll go to the PyCharm students. So go to this first case study. Under this, go to this place, PyCharm. So under modules only you are in. Now I'll take it. The first one is called Python file. Say here, new Python file, AOP menu.py. Say now. What is my file name now? AOP menu.py. What should I do? Tell me. Come on. Come on. Print off arithmetic operations. Like that, I need to write many print functions or not. So instead of that, will you understand one thing? S is equal to triple double quotes. See what I am doing inside of it. See students, and in a shortcut, how beautifully you can design. And these are all called subject related things, students. You can just write it like this. Written in where? Written in where? Triple double quotes. Triple double quotes for what purpose? Multi-line string. Is it multi-line or not? Print of what actually? Yes. Print of yes, right or not? But this entire thing I will write it in where? DEF menu. DEF menu. I will write this entire thing under menu. Are you following me? Now, you call it, test by yourself. What is this now? Menu on. Try to run this. Beautiful output is coming. And you try to adjust these lines. So here you write what? \t you say. Try to run it. Now it is pakka showing output, right? One more \t you write it. One more time you run it. Now it is showing exactly. Okay now? So need not write print, so many things. Beginning you have written print. Now you are writing what? You know subject, right? Subject, if you don't know, back to pavilion only. If you know subject, you can do like this. Okay now? Well, next I'm going to take it. This is understandable. Online students, is it clear, students? Is this line is clear, ma? Everybody? Well, go to the next part of the subject. What is the next one? AOP, this part I will take it. Well, students, go to the next line. I say here, writing AOP implementations.py. AOP implementations.py. Now I am going to take up AOP implementations.py. What should I do now? Tell me, what should I do? DEF. What are my operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, so many. ADDOP of, I'll write pass. Next I'll write it what? DEF. Sub-OP is pass. I'll say all these things. DEF, MLOP of pass. Next is called what? DEF. DIVOP. What is this DIVOP? DIVOP colon pass. Next is DIV colon what? Floor division. FDIVOP of what? Pass. Next is called what? DEF. Come on. Ma? MBODOP of what? You know, pass. Next is DIV EXPOP of what? You know, pass. That's all, no? Huh? Exit is not necessary. Exit is not necessary. Okay. Under this, what should I do? Operations, I need to do it. Shall I? Okay. A comma B is equal to int of input of enter first value, or I can do, students. Why to take much time? Enter two values. Enter two values. Enter two values for what? Addition. Enter two value for addition. A comma B is equal to int of input of comma what? Int of input of. Print of what here, you know, sum of comma is equal to dot format of A comma B comma A plus B. A plus B. Are you following me? Yes. Similarly, I'll write the same code in this place. Similarly, I will write this code here. See, students, enter two values for sub. Enter two values for sub. I say here sub. I say here minus. I will write here what, you know, say here. Enter two values for what? Multiplication. Here I will write it what? Star. Say here MUL. Say MUL. Next I will write it what, you know, say here. For what here? Division. division, div. I say here div, div. So I will get it here. Slash, right? Next I will go for what? Floor division. Enter two values for floor division. Floor division. Easy. I say double slash, right? Floor div. Floor div. Floor div. Next I will take it modulus. Modulus I will take it. Enter two values for what? Mod. Modulo division. Say here. Percentage I will use it. I say here mod. Modulus. Here I will write it. I say here A comma B is equal to, it's a little bit different, I'll write, students. Input of enter power, enter base, correct? Next comma, enter weight, power, comma, enter what? Power. I will write like this. Enter power. I say here print of POW of A value, B value is equal to, like this, I will write it. Dot format of what? A comma, B comma, A star star B. A star star B. Got it up? Fine. So here I am going to say, this is called one small thing. This is comes under menu. This is comes under my operations ready. This code will be written by somebody. This code will be written by somebody. I'll write the main program. What are the main program, students? See, students, AOP demo.py. AOP demo.py. Now I am going to write it. What is the AOP demo.py? Go to that place. Here I am writing. See, there I am writing AOP demo.py. Now there I will write it. .py. Now I am going to write it. Tell me, what should I call it? First menu I need or not? Menu. I will write a menu. Written. Menu is giving you error. From. Come on. AOP menu. AOP menu. It is coming. Import. Import what? Menu. Then output you see. Run this code. Now it is ready. Now from there, I need to give here what? Enter your choice. Right? Start. How do you give it? Tell me, students. CH is equal to int of input of enter your choice. Enter your okay. Tell me, what should I do? Choice got it. Choice got it. Enter your choice. I need to enter the choice of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How do you do that? Very good. Match of CH. Case 1. Case 1. I should do what? Addition. What should I do now? ADD OP. OP. Case 2. Sub OP. Case 2. What? Sub OP. Case 3. MULOP. Case 4. DIVOP. 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 Case 5. FDIVOP. Case 6. Come on. MBOD. MBOD OP. Case 7. EXP OP. Case 8. Case 8. Print of what? So thanks for using this program. Thanks for using this program. Thanks for using this program. Next up. Next up. Case, I say what? I will say, once you write like this one, if anything is after finishing that, case what? Underscore. What should I say? Print of. Your selection of operation is wrong. Your selection of operation is wrong. Your selection of operation is wrong. That's all. Your selection of operation is wrong means I have to try it again or not. Go back. For that, what I'll write it? While I will write it. While of what? True. You know, you try to have one small thing. Since it is you are saying it, while loop, I can happily say what? Break. Break I can say. And add OP, these are all errors now. So what I'll do from this module, I have to import it. This is a file name come what? Module name. You can write it now. File name and module name. File name and module name. Easy. See students from here. From where? Import. From there. Import what? So I can say here. CADDOP. So many things are there. So if I say sub C, you can see how much easily you are getting function name and then what? Module name. Function name, module name, function name, module name. Today I will do what? Star. Star means what? All. If I remove that star underlines, red underline. If I write star, gone. That means PVM is recognizing that. Actually, star should not be used to students. Only for practicing purpose I am using. You should not write that. You have to use what? You write the names. Okay, guys. Try to run it. Try to run it. Shall we run it now? Okay. Start now. Enter. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. 1. 1. Enter the value of it. 10. And say 200. Got the value called what? Sum of 10 comma 20, 200 is 210. 2 is called like this. 100 and what? 120. Got it? Minus 20. 3 I got it. 102. Got the value like 200. 4 here. 10 and 3. Got the value called 3.33. Next is called 5. Enter the 10 and then 3. Got it only 3. What? Floor division. Enter the 6. Say 10 and 4 is called 2. Right or not? Enter the value 7. Say some 10. Say some 3. 10 to the power of 3 is called like that. Say some 7. Say some value 4. 4 to the power of 3. 4 into 4 into 4. Right? Say something like 23. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Say 8. Got the answer like this. These are all called what? Modules. So from now onwards, if anything is there, if different tasks are there, we will write in different modules. We will integrate them. So slowly, when you go for any project development, different that big project you have to decompose into smaller pieces. That smaller pieces you need to integrate in the form of modules in one single program. Main program you need to do it. Online students, I hope that you understand this discussion. I hope so you understand this discussion, students. So this example comes under one of the case. You know already how to do this type of thing. Okay, students, are you understanding, students? So this I'll keep it into one of the case. Like that you need to do what you know, case 1. This I will upload to you as this. So next, one more kind of case you need to write it. Open the notes. We can use Monica. You can use if also you can use it. You can use if also you can use. Suppose match case example is there. This one is there. It cannot run in where? It cannot run in Jupyter Notebook because match case is not there in where? Jupyter Notebook. Why Jupyter Notebook does not contain? Because it is still taking only secured version of Python. 3.9 only it will take. It can't take what? Other things it cannot take. I hope you are followed. You can use if else also. If also you can use it. There is no wrong in that. Okay? Right. Open the now. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. which will implement the following. So detailed discussion is given. Try to watch it. You have to do all these things. Write down now. Write down all of them. So I'm not talking. Don't ask me, sir. I'm not audible. First study that different figures: circle area, circle perimeter; square area, square perimeter; rectangle area, rectangle perimeter; triangle area, triangle perimeter. Exit. See the file system, circle.py, file name come module name. Square.py, area perimeter. Of course, I will do this now because something is required here. So the point to remember here is all the modules are containing same function name, same function names are there. How do you deal this kind of thing? I'll just want to do it in few seconds, few minutes. What is that, ma'am? Lakshmi Ganapati. Re-upload yesterday's notes, sir. We are unable to download. Okay, ma'am. I'll upload once again yesterday's class. So tomorrow's session is or not. What is that meaning? Tomorrow's session is there or not now? Okay. Tomorrow's session is not there. But next week I will take. Next week I'll take because I'm going out of station. Today I'm going out of station. So I'm going to what is that? What is that? No, I'm not going to underground. If I'm going to underground, why I will come to the class? I'm very sincere. So, you know, I'm remembering, since you are asking, I'm saying, I'm so sincere from my students' time onwards. You know, in second year, I hope so. In B second year, B, not B Tech. Usman University is B. I'm a student of OU. So on one fine Saturday, after the college is over, for second show, we used to go to movie that time, monthly once only. Second show we used to go to where RTC Crossroads, near to Tarnaka, RTC Crossroads is nearby. So, and my favorite theater is Sandhya Theater is there. That time it was good. Now it is so many theaters came like that. We went there. And on that day, afternoon or morning, I studied DBMS. We have the subject called DBMS, second semester. Second year, first semester, I hope so. I learned one topic. On the day I studied differences between traditional file processing system and DBMS. One question is there. I'm remembering everything, but after reading that subject, I used to recapitulate. And when I'm free, I used to recap whether I'll remember or not. So when I'm recapitulating, it's remembering. But after going to movie, I'm getting whether to see the movie, something should be done good. And now opinion, that's my opinion. To watch a movie, what is the eligibility? We must read well. Then only we are eligible to watch the movie. That is my policy. After I went there, after sitting, ticket buying, everything is over. Sitting in the chair along with my friend. Only one friend is there. Sat there. And all of a sudden, I'm trying to recapitulate. Out of 11 points, I'm remembering only 6 points. 5 points I'm not remembering. Immediately, I got somehow, my parents paid fees and I'm not remembering. Unnecessarily, I'm watching movie. I came out. I came out from underground and I went to my room. I did not watch the movie. I gave my ticket to somebody who is standing outside. I gave the ticket. My friend is still, oh, no, sit down. What is there? After going to room also you can read. No. I said, I will come out. It was one incident. So underground activities I don't like it. So you are seeing from the beginning, how I will come to the class? On time. Subject, anywhere, are you coming down? Is my voice coming down from demo onwards? Is increasing or getting down? Increasing. Anywhere else coming down? Coding level? No. So, so not like that. That is some other, this dialogue is not there from, not cinema dialogue. That's it from beginning onwards. So we should not go along these cinema actors. They are actors, not real actors. Real actors you are. Will they write Python code? No, why we follow their style like that? All waste actions they are called. So can't you do your own action only like this only? They don't know. Are they knowing Python coding? Then why do you watch them? Tell me, you tell me, why to watch them? Are they knowing good English? I never watch it. That days I watched it over. Of course, I used to watch not every movie, only one cinema hero person I used to watch. But later I stopped watching also. Waste of time. And message is not there in that. And in the songs also, what is there? Telugu is there, English is there, whatever the dance is there, I don't know that. Huh? And by seeing those people fashion, you are keeping lines here like that. Umbrella cutting. Like that. Morning, one student is coming. One student came. What that student is the student? Pant is tearing. Both the sides, both the legs are there, na? Both of them are tearing. I called that guy. Any problem? I asked them. When we were the students, if a small scratch is there, we used to see, ayo, like that. So pop them like that. Now by seeing today's, what is happening? Total tearing only. Here in the leg side also, pant is ear cutting, everything is cutting on. This is what the fashion is. Even I went to last Sunday or something, I went to shopping. There I have seen total pants are tearing. I just asked that shop selling person, are they scrapping mall? No, sir, they are very fashion mall, they said. Total scrapping only. So, like that. So, come on to the point of it. Viresh? Right. So, that's what the thing is. And scientists are there. Scientists are there. So many scientists preparing satellites. Be a fan of them. Abdul Kalam is a very great scientist. Follow that. You are not a fan of that. You are a fan of somebody, you will put releasing under that, putting some garland. What they don't know, 10th class also fail candidates. And we are going to do. Freedom fighters are there. Like that. And they will join on their name also. Sometimes they will join. And these days nobody is joining. They will join on their name. Like that. They will join on their name. X star, Y star, Z star, like that. They will join with the different stars. So they won't do anything. Do by yourself. Okay. Shall we continue? So 10 minutes time is wasted. Because you said, where are you going? Underground. That's why I said this. I'm going to Vijayawada. So to attend some function. So I said that. Okay. Right. So I'm going to say now. So who is your favorite hero, sir? In my mind, I don't like any of the cinema hero. To whom I like it? Rosam. James Gosling, Dennis Ritchie, Kernigan, James Gosling, Travis Oliphant, MC Kinneth. These are all great people. Suppose for example, you like one hero, for example, you take it. Will you go to, if you go to their home, will they give appointment? Then why you will be hero for them? You tell me. You tell me. If you learn Python very well, you will get the job or not? Being a fan of that person, will you get any salary, any career? Then why? Change your mindset. Okay, now? So who is your hero? Rosam. Yes. No. Don't be my fan. You don't be my fan. You be a fan of my subject, my dear students. Tell me. Carry my subject to your career. Tell to your friends about our subject. That is more than enough. You don't be a fan of mine. You be a fan of my subject. That is more than enough. Okay, now? Right. So, come to the point of it. Now I'll move to the following things. So, sir, how you will maintain smile every time? Lokesh, are you seeing that I am smiling? Right. Okay, students. No problem, students. Right. So, I'll start the discussion. Shall we start now? Okay, students. Now, come on. Now, I did not speak this much time about other things in the class so far. Right? Come to the point. So, now I'll go to the further. I'll do that with, take this. Little bit fast we'll do. Go to this place. Python here. Now, I'm going to take it. What is our file? File system also I took it. What is our file system, students? Something like what? Menu also I will take it. Figure menu.py. This I will take it. Little bit fast I'll do it. I hope you can understand. What is this now? DEF what? Menu. DEF menu. DEF what? Menu. I'll say here S is equal to what? Triple double quotes /T. Copy that entire thing or not? You copy this entire thing. See, students, I'll copy. Okay, done. Okay, now save it. Case 2. This I will take it as case 2. Go to this place, students. Case 2, you create one thing is you create. Case 2, student. In that case 2, you save it. Okay. Now we'll go for what you know. So go to the next level. What is this? Circle.py. Circle.py, you take it. Now say here. File new, say Python. Others, say here. Now this is called what you know? Now DEF, Y capital. DEF, tell me mom, area, I'll take it. R is equal to students, input or float you take it. Input of what I'm saying, enter radius. Enter what? Radius. Okay. Now say AC is equal to what? 3.14 into R star star 2. Print of what, students? Area of circle is equal to dot format of AC. Similarly, I'll go for what, ma? Perimeter. So perimeter you take it. What is this now? 2 pi r. Enter radius for this. For what? Area. For area calculation. For what here, ma? Perimeter. Okay. You save it, students, in the same place. Say here. Done. In this module, case number 2, you save it. Circle done. Similarly, I will take it what? Ma? Okay. So, perimeter. Okay. Area of circle. Perimeter of circle, yeah. Perimeter of circle. PC. Yes. PC. No problem, even if you take it local variable now, no issue. You can take it what? Right like this. Okay, students. Now I'll go for it. Save it. Saved up? Saved it. Take the same thing. Go for what? Square also I will take it. Square also I'll take it more. Square I will take it. Square dot enter side. Okay. Area of what? Square. Square. Okay. This is called what, students? Yes, you take it. Yes. SA you take it. What, students? This is S star star 2. Right. SA. Okay, students. Now perimeter, students. Enter. This is same thing. You try to take it now. Now I am taking enter what? Side. For what? Perimeter. What is this now, students? Square perimeter SP is equal to what? 4 into S. 4S now? Perimeter of what? Square. Perimeter of square. What is this now, students? Very good. SP. Okay, students. Now, square dot py, students. Square dot py. Problem, huh? So, anywhere else problem, students? Enter side, enter this. Okay, done. Now I am going to say, Sanskar with Python, did you teach any subject also, sir? Now I used to teach earlier, Java I used to teach. Java, ADV Java. Pure Java subjects I used to teach. And Hibernate, Spring with microservices. These are almost I taught 20 plus years I taught. I totally tired in that. Totally tired. Then last 10 years, along with this, I started Python also. Half batches, out of 5 batches, 2 batches Java, 3 batches Python I used to take from last 5 years. 10 years, 3 batches Java, 2 batches Python, like that. Nowadays, I am taking purely Python. Why I did not take Java? Because Java I don't want to teach like everybody. I don't want to teach like 1 month, 2 months Java. I don't want it because I don't want to make an injustice to the students. Java to teach as on today, the versions which are available in Java, Java 21 is available. Java 21 version is available. People are unable to teach Java 1.4 also. 1.4 also unable to teach. And they are appearing for interview. They cannot qualify. And when Python coming, this is slowly going to reduce its ranking. And along with these subjects, I used to teach system level application development. DS with C, that is my research subject. With C++, with Java, with Python. These things, data structures and algorithms is a royal subject in computer science. Who knows this subject, they are like a masters. Even total 50% of the population doesn't have the food. If you know this subject, you will get perfect food. And that is a master subject, royal subject. That is my PhD in this subject. I will just explain on fingertips, left and left fingertips I'll explain. With AVL trees, DFS, BFS, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, NP hard, NP complete, Cook's theorem, N-Queens, 0 by 1 knapsack problem. These are all just left and left finger. After all, Python, what is there? Simple, this is. Very easy. And a teacher is required good commitment. So, nowadays, teachers, if you see, totally commercial. That's why. Our friends, if any friends are there, tell them what is the reality of the subject. At least you can tell where to learn, how to learn. At least you are helping them. So, Sanskar. So, this is the one. And Django and data science, they're anyhow is a part of the Python only. But why at present I am not taking data science level? Because data science require some mathematical understanding power to the students is required. So some difficulty is there to the student level of understanding. That's why few more days I'll wait. Later I will start that sessions also. Right. So, yes, that's true, ma'am. So when I start, I'll intimate to you. Shall I continue now? Yes. So coming to the point of it, everybody generally will take the timing of what 1 hour 10 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes. They will take the class and they will leave it. But I never take a class of 1 hour 35 minutes. Less than that, I don't take. Rarely on Saturday, for example. When everybody is enjoying the underground activity for 1 hour, for 2 hours, we'll also take 10 minutes rest. Like that. So minimum I'll take 1 hour 40 minutes. Minimum I used to take the class. Because so much of content I want to cover it. So some commitment is required. So coming to the point of it. Prashanti, how long DSA course duration will be? There is also one question mark. Suppose Python is there. If you see other students, if anybody, most of them belongs to our batch only. Python, if you see outside, fees is 8,000 and the duration is 1 month. Python is over. Neither subject is getting nor money saved. Everything lost. Here Python is 3 months with 4,000. 3 months. What content we are delivering, you already know. Why don't you save your friends by telling this instead of wasting their time? That's what I'm saying, that make the people to aware of this. I'm saying. You are helping them as well as telling them is good content, what is happening here. Okay, now? Right. Sanskar, I hope you are getting me. So, and one more question come. Sir, can you suggest any faculty for learning something? In my mind, no faculty is there here. Because if I don't have anybody in my mind. If I say somebody, you will feel that if they don't teach properly, KVR sir said that we joined on his words. Why should I get that bad name? That's why you attend all the demos and see wherever you feel better, you join. Including my class also, I said. Beginning I said that only, right? Attend all the classes. You have a freedom to attend everywhere. Decide who is teaching best. That you decide it. Now, go to the point. Online students, you can ask me later, ma. So, square.py, save this. Square.py. Next, I will go for what? Rectangle, I will take it. Rectangle. So today you are making me to tell other things more and more. Next is called what? Rector.py. Area. Enter what? L and R. L comma B. Enter what? Breadth. Enter breadth for area. Next I will write it what? Comma. What is this next? Enter what? Length. Okay, this is first one. I will go for length. Enter length. Length. And then we'll go for what? RA. Rectangle area. What I'll do? L into B. L into B. Same thing I'll go. Area of what? Rectangle. Area of rectangle. I am taking here. So, rectangle. I'll carry the students. I'll carry this. I'll paste here students. Now I am writing L comma B for what ma? Perimeter. Perimeter. Now I will go to this place. Perimeter. Perimeter. Now I am seeing here 2 into L plus B. 2 into what? L plus B. L plus B. Okay. Now I got it. What is this now? Perimeter. Done. Following me? RA. RA. This is called what? PR. Yes or PR? Perimeter of rectangle. PR. Okay. PR. Following me? Now, this is one thing. This is one module. Okay. Case 2. You just go for this. Done. Next, I'll go for what? Now, I'll hope you understand. After that, what? Triangle. Can you do this now, triangle? Will you do by yourself? No. I'll go for this. These are called different modules. What I will do next? What I will do next? Menu. Menu is there. Main program I will write or not? What is my main program, students? So this I will take it. This I will take it. Main program I will write it. See students, how simple it is. Python here, now I am taking. .py. Which program this is? Main program. Main program. So I will call what first? Tell me, mom. Menu. I'll call it as what? Menu. I'll call it as menu. Okay. Menu from where? Menu from where? Figure menu. I'll call it. Tell me. From import menu. Got it? Menu. Now students, you already understand. CH. Tell me students. Input of enter your choice. Enter your. Okay. Very good. Let me run the students once. CSR and circle, square, rectangle, triangle. But I did not write triangle. You add that, okay? During your practicing, you add it. So done, students. Execute it, students. Go to the place. CD, case 2, I saved it. You execute it, guys. PY, right? Enter your choice. Menu is not coming. So menu is not showing. Why it is not showing menu? Menu. Okay. Print I did not do. Print of what? Yes. Now you run it. Now it is showing like this. Okay. Now it is too much going out. And I say here, if you want, you can do like this. 1 minute, you check it out, students. You try to run it. Okay. Save on \T. So it is now okay. Enter your choice. Now I need to enter the choice like this. Okay. Now see students. Coming to this place. Enter your choice. The choice is coming. So this choice is coming. Now your choice. I'll enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Previously I did with what? Match case or not? We'll do what? If else I will do it. Come on. If CH is equal to 1, say what? Come on. CH is equal to 1 means what? Circle. So I need to import which module? Come on. From circle, import area, comma, perimeter. Perimeter. I will call it as what? Area of. Next is called what? Next one is called what? 2. What is this now? Perimeter. 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 PRI. If I will write it. If, right? If. Now you try to run the students once. Say here. You execute ma. You say 1 now. Enter the radius for area. 2. Result is coming. Now I will go for 2. Say something like 2. So see some 3. Sorry. So got it. Are you getting the perimeter or not? Yes. Now I'll go to one more thing. What is the next option, ma? Square area, square perimeter. The most important carefulness is required. I'll write it now. What is next? If. What I'll write? 3. What I'll write? Area. Which area? Square area. How do you write it now? From square, import area, comma, perimeter. If I take like that, if it is like this, even though I took it as what? Square area, circle area, which area will take? Square area, because the latest one will take. Which one will take? Latest one only will take. So it is a problem or not? That time I should go for alias name. Are you getting? Right. Watch it once again. One more time I will take it. 4 I will say. 4 I will say. What is this now? Perimeter. Just observe ma. Observe everybody. Sorry. Run this code. See that. 1 only I am taking. 1. It is asking side. Side of that it is taking. If I say 2, 2 into 2, 4. It is the wrong answer now. That's why I should go for what? Online students. As what? CA. As what? CP. Getting or not? Or otherwise, you can say import circle as C. C dot area. C dot perimeter. Like that you can call. It is your choice. As what? SA. As what? SP. Now come on. Here what I'll write? CA. What is next? Huh? Okay. CP. CP. Come on. SA. SP. Like this. Similarly, I will go for what? 5. 5. What is this now? RA. RA, anything is there, you need to take care, guys. Next, I'll go for what? 6. 6 and A. RP. RP, I will go for it. RP. Else, I will write it. What is else? Print off. Your selection of operation. Your selection of operation is wrong. Selection of operation is wrong. When it is wrong, I need to go for while loop or not? While what? True. I say here. While say true here. I say here. See here I said menu is done. Now I said here. Done. Ma? Yeah. Rectangle I need to take it. From where? Rect. Import area as RA, comma, perimeter as RP. RP. All the unique names must be there. Okay? Ma? Okay. Number, how much? 9. Okay, 9. So, other thing is also there. What I do is, okay, you do one thing, students. Here, what is there? 7, I will write it. 7, I will write it. What I will do in 7? Student must do that. Print of what? You do that, right or not? Student must do. Are you following? And don't write like that. You do that. Because Monday, Saturday, Sunday is coming. You'll completely go to underground means problem. 8. So student must do. Next is what? 9. What is the 9? Break. I should do that what? Break I will write. Why I am writing break? Because you are in the inside of loop now. You run this. 9, okay. 9. Okay. You execute it, students. Done. You say 4 side perimeter. 5. 4, 5. 4 into 5. 1, 2 circle area. You say 5 length, 12, 13. Got it. Following. 7 student must do. 8 student must do. 9 exit. Following. So these two things you do, students. Are you following? You say now 45, 4, 5, 6 you enter. Your selection of operation is wrong. So 27th line, Anil, 27th line, where is the mistake, mom? Mistake. Oh, okay. This one, I hope so. So done. Are you following me? This is the way modules you can do. Modules is easy or difficult? Easy. So try to practice it. Tomorrow you do this. So I'll stop the class. So, who is this? Patrick Manohar. Sir, Virat Kohli is batting. Please end the class. Please, sir. I'll continue the session. So, when they win or lose, what you will get it? Tell me. Will you get anything? Just for time pass, we need to use. Okay, student. Patrick Manohar. Enjoy the cricket. Done. Okay, students, take care. Tomorrow class. Day after tomorrow, we'll go for what? Packages. 1 day packages concept. Online students, today, no interaction with you. So Saturday, Monday, I will interact with you students. No online students talking today. Take care. All the best.